What's the meaning of bourgeois? Bourgeois. Bourgeois.
Bourgeois. Bourgeois. The term bourgeois generally refers to the middle class in capitalist societies, particularly those who own property and engage in commerce. Often used in a critical or Marxist context, it can refer to the values, attitudes, and lifestyles associated with this class, such as an emphasis on materialism, individualism, and the pursuit of profit. It is often used to critique dominant cultural norms and systems of power that benefit the bourgeoisie at the expense of the working class and marginalized groups. In short, bourgeois is a term used to describe the dominant class and its values within a capitalist society.